Do you know there are things more satisfying than taking a cool shower on a very hot day? What an indescribable feeling. However, behind some of the utilities we make use of on a daily basis goes a long process of manufacturing, which to our utter dismay might be tiring for the factory workers who made them. Thanks to the advancement in technology, there are now various machines, and they can now get things done within the snap of a finger. Truly satisfying, right? Stay to the end of this video as we unveil the most satisfying factory machines and ingenious tools you'd ever find anywhere. Welcome to Posh Future. Make sure you click the subscription button and click the notification bell so you can be updated whenever we upload content. Coming 10th place on our list today is spiked shoes. Take it or leave it, the usefulness of spiked shoes goes beyond the tracks. In epoxy floor application, a spiked shoe might be that friend you can trust to give you a clean job. When it comes to installing an epoxy overlay on a concrete floor, the last thing you want is a footprint showing through all your hard work, right? Right. In fact, when it comes to epoxy application, there are two kinds of spiked shoes you might want to consider. Depending on your choice, you could go for the buckle shoe, a standard spiked shoe with durable polypropylene and made available with 13 spikes. These spikes are configured in the footbed to provide maximum balance while preventing toe tipping. In addition, this shoe allows the applicator to walk on the wet products to achieve uniform coverage of epoxies and sealers. Thankfully, this shoe comes in a size fits all, so you don't have to worry about getting the right fit. On the other hand, the concrete protector shoe-in spiked shoes are the safest and most stable shoes on the market. Thanks to its patented technology and user-friendly design, it is considerably easy to wear or take off the shoes. There are no straps to drag or break, and no nuts that are going to come loose and fall off. The total icing on the cake would be that these shoes can be used for many different applications such as epoxy coatings, overlays, decorative concrete, and self-leveling. The spike shoes come standard with 3/4 metal sharp needle spikes. Pan printing. Ever wondered how the beautiful design on your ceramics came to be? Don't look any further. What you are seeing is the process of pan printing, where you transfer a silicone block on a 2D screen, thereby creating beautiful and uniform plate designs. Ice cream packaging. Guys with a sweet tooth, here is something that might truly satisfy you. So you're eating a tricolor treat on a particularly sunny day, and an idea struck your mind. How could a treat turn out so perfect? Well, here's the answer. Tricolored ice cream is packaged neatly every single time with perfect timing and definitely no smudge left behind. Power impression machine. With 7 jets, this power impression machine can leave the entire street sparkling clean with just one stroll. Automatic egg breaker. Baking just got better with the automatic egg breaker that cuts and opens an eggshell automatically. Ooh, that's awesome, right? After breaking, the egg slides into another row where the yellowish yolk is separated from the egg whites. Mixing of creams and chocolates. Here is another eye candy for sweet lovers. This is a video of an ice cream factory where the cream is mixed up with chocolates, syrups, and other additional flavors that transports you to the night cloud within a snap. Tart makers. Ever wondered how Pop-Tarts are made? This machine is the answer. It basically does half of the task involved. Rapidly rotating wire brush. Cringing at the idea and stress involved in clearing out your weeds? Don't worry. A curb filled with weed can be easily cleaned out in a matter of seconds, thanks to the rapidly rotating wire brush attached to a strip cleaner. Scrap machine. Wondering how to turn your old car into scraps? A mechanical arm scoops up a wrecked car, drops it into a car compactor, and turns it into a cube of scrapped metal. Easy peasy. Folding machine. If you were amazed at how your comforter came in looking so neatly folded, the secret is automatic leverage that is neatly folded for the packaging and delivery process. Noodle shearer. A double-arm machine is not only used to cut noodles into perfect strips, but also launches them into boiling water for cooking. Rotating pasta cutting machine. The arm of this machine rotates in circles to cut ripped elbow pasta. Can compressor. With this machine, you can compress your metals and cans into smaller sizes, which makes recycling incredibly easy. Tree falling motor. Fallen trees no longer need to be strenuous and tiring. With this motor, tree falling becomes super duper incredibly easy. Laser welding. Contrary to public opinion, this laser welding gives a stronger hold and is far easier than the traditional style of welding. Boxable houses. With the exploding global population every year, houses are in more demand than ever before. At this point, small houses from Boxable come to the rescue. You don't need to go through the stress of building from start to finish. All you need to do is unfold them once they arrive. Commercial pressure washer. The commercial pressure washer has the capability of producing over 4,000 psi. It can handle leaving everything sparkling clean. Wire fence maker. The making of chain link fences just got easier with this machine. You don't need to go through the whole process of bending and twisting copper wires. This machine constructs the fences in a matter of seconds by two parts of the machine that moves in opposite directions. Shape maker. This machine caves on its different arms to bend pieces of metals into desired shapes and sizes. Coconut peeler. Thinking of giving yourself some coconut treats? Get the job done with this machine that drops an automatic arm to fasten, rotate, and peel a coconut in a matter of seconds. Popsicle maker. Your ice cream popsicle making process just got easier and with so much precision. Heavy-duty spring machine. The 6 arms of this machine work together to create a heavy-duty spring. Coin counter. Thinking of counting all the cents in your piggy bank? Look no further. This machine makes the job, well, satisfying. This machine can count up to 10,000 coins per minute and is often utilized in federal banks. It comes with just a single moving pad. glass sculpting machine. This is a machine that makes glass making process truly satisfying. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed the video. Do you know some other satisfying factory machines not mentioned in this video? Let's hear your opinion in the comment section below.